G'day everyone, it's Dave, and today we're going to be working on a miter saw again. And what we found on this particular tool is we were missing a few knobs. We were missing one here on the back, and of course we're missing the one here on the front. If we know what the threads are, what the size and diameter is, we can go out and obviously try to track down missing handles for it on e-replacement parts. But we have quite a few parts in our inventory at home, so we're just going to show you how you can quickly replace one just using some parts you have kicking around. Well, how do we figure out what the thread is? There's lots of tools that are out there. I can use my thread gauge now and figure out how many threads per inch. One of the things that most any fastener shop has is usually something along this lines. And what this is you basically have your metric on one side, which is our blue, and then you have your standard on the other side. And what you have is each of the various dimensions and all the various thread combinations, both the male and the female. So you got the female, the male side. And you can use this quickly to determine, because basically all you're doing is finding the one that matches the hole quickly. In this case, it goes on perfectly. There's not much wiggle. And then we can read right on the side. This is a M6-1. So now I know exactly what size knob I'm looking for to replace. So we can go out and have a look for saw with M6-1, or we can look at just getting a bolt on here. We can round it, spin it on a drill, put a file against it, make it round, put it on with a bit of thread locker, and make our own. Other option, especially for handles, is quite often I can look out, get myself a piece of threaded rod, the right diameter, and I can make the handle. You can go out and buy just standard handles. This particular handle actually was already pre-drilled and pre-threaded. Once it's all the way in, take your marker, mark it, thread that back out. So now I know I have roughly about, let's see, about an inch it looks like. And all I do is add that same length on the other end. Just cut it with a hacksaw. Once we have it cut, of course we have to get rid of the burr at the edge. Just take our file it first flat. Once we have that, and we can feel the difference, I should be able to, there we go, thread that right in. And there we go. Thanks for watching. If you have any other thoughts, any comments, or anything you'd like to see in future videos, please leave us a comment. Otherwise, we'll see you next video.